Hey everybody, it's Monday, January 6th. Here's Astro Excel for the coming week. You can see Monday we're bottoming out here. We're going to bottom out this afternoon down at the -10, and we're pushing up then late this afternoon around 1700. We start this push up all the way through Tuesday into Wednesday, where we peak out Wednesday morning at 4 a.m. above the plus 20 line. Then we get a push down to about the plus 5 area in the evening, about 2000. Reverse back up into and all the way through Thursday, peaking Thursday evening up here at plus 27 or so. And then we've got to drift down all the way into Friday, but we are in plus territory. No key spike peak today. We get a spike peak on Tuesday out of trading hours about 1900. Blue line and green line spike peak here on Wednesday at 4 a.m. on the blue line, and the peak is 4 a.m. on the green line as well. So they both peak and are both down together Wednesday. We get a couple of spikes here on Thursday, 2 a.m. and 9 a.m. And then Friday morning at about 5 a.m. And that's going to be it for the important part of the trading week. So there's a look at Astro Excel for the coming week.